Luca Bolognese, our product manager key-cutting machine, will bring us through a deep journey within our latest creation, the Futura electronic key-cutting machine. We will have the opportunity to learn many details and many peculiarities of this excellent electronic machine. During the section, you will have the opportunity to write your questions to Luca, simply typing at webinar@silca.it. Please don't hesitate to pass your questions to Luca, and he will try to answer each of them. If not, our answer will come to you back by mail. So thank you since now for your attention and for your contribution, and enjoy the Futura webinar.
Today, I am proud to show you our latest electronic cutting machine. His name is Futura and is an automatic and smart machine with an innovative tablet integrated solution, double function unit, compact and portable solution with a large software database, intuitive and easy to use. At last, but not least, 100% designed and made in Italy with high quality component. Why is an automatic and smart solution? Simply turn on the machine, turn on the tablet, launch application and the machine work. No setup are required. No mistake are possible. All the working process are fully automated. The software guide operator step by step, indicating the tools needed. It's a smart solution also because we have the shield that slides inside the body of the machine, we have inside the cutting tool holder, and the swerve chip tray that collect the 100% of chip during the operation. Last but not least, the innovative tablet integrated solution. The tablet could be used on the top of the machine or on the desk with the tilting support, or simply in your hand, because the connectivity between machine and tablet is Wi-Fi. Futura is a solution to work everywhere. The compact sides are perfect for little shops and vans. It's easy to move Futura thanks to the lightweight and the ergonomic handle. Futura is a real double function machine, 3 axis, 2 workstation, 1 machine, duplicating edge, dimple and laser key types. On edge key side we have the fast rotating 4-side nickel plated jaw, the thin coated prismatic cutter able to copy the key and maintain the original shape, the optical reader for an high precision copy by original function. The optical reader also provides the electric contact function, and the caliber with the sensor position. On the laser and dimple side we have the innovative nickel plated jaw with the easy interchangeable plate without needs of tools. This solution permits the duplication of a larger range of keys. Laser and dimple keys decoding is made by electric contact with a unique tracer point mounted on this extractable solution. And for dimple keys, the software interpolation permits the reduction of cutters needed. As I said before, Futura is 100% designed and made in Italy with high quality component, and now I show you in detail. All components have been selected and sourced after an accurate test phase made in Silca. Stepper motor come from United States. Cutter motor come from Germany. Belt, electronic card, aluminum and plastic part are made in Italy. The machine design has been projected with high attention to details. For example, here we can see the chip anti-intrusion system. Futura software is very powerful, 9 languages and we continuously add more. 10 different search criteria, about 80,000 key blank in cross-reference. Code table for copy by code operation. This is the main window of Futura program. Here you can find the search, the copy by original, the favorite card and series, the queue, the option, the software upgrades, backup recovery and info. In the upper part of the screen you can find the navigation menu. With this, everywhere you can go fast in search, in copy by original, in favorites card and series, and come back to home page. Futura manages a wide amount of data. If we go in search criteria, we can find 4 different category for searching the keys. Standard keys, vehicle keys, Dimple and track keys, and one for all together. Here we can find 10 different search criteria: code, card, serial number, key blanks, key manufacturer, CATs, lock manufacturer, vehicle, make and model, and year. For each key blank, on the left part of the screen, we show a technical drawing of the key. On the right part of the screen, you have the possibility to copy the key by direct code, by indirect code, decoding the key, and set a manual correction. Other options and functionality are also available. The Futura software database are updatable via internet. Okay, now we have the first session of question and answer. The first one is from Matt UK. The question is, what's the meaning of software interpolation? Thank you, Matt, for the question. It's not easy to explain, but software interpolation is a special cutting method in combination with a kind of universal cutter that reproduces the base enlargement of different cuts. This means that with less cutter, you can cut different bases enlargement, and this is a very useful functionality. So, the second question is from Roland, Spain. We receive more questions about which and how many cutting cards are in Futura. Okay, the cutting cards are not easy to explain what are the cutting cards in Futura today, because I have to list all cards and all series. So the better way is to send you a complete list of all the series and cards now in Futura and all the series and cards that we going to add in the future. The third question is from Arnaud, France. Is the software update free of charge? Not really free of charge. You buy the machine, you have 6 months of software free update. This means that you buy the machine, you receive the machine. When you connect the first time the machine to internet to download an upgrade, from this moment, we counting 6 months of download free. So you have 6 months to download any update that we upload in internet. In any case, when you receive the machine, the software download free time expired after 12 months. Another question is from Rolf, Germany, and is the cutter of Futura the same of Triax 4 and Matrix? No, Futura have their own setting of cutters. So you can't use the same time Matrix and the same time Triax. Is possible, Rolf have another question. Is possible to have also cutter NVIDIA? No. We study in laboratory this solution. The solution of Futura is 2 cutters in coating material, thin for prismatic and another coating for laser, and no coated for Dimple keys. This is the better solution after our test because the structure of the machine with video solution have too much vibration and too much noise. So the right combination of material is the coating in tin and the coating in air material for laser key. Okay, this is the last questions, and so we can go on with the session of key samples cutting for Futura. Thank you. Now I show you how to decoding a Dimple keys, in this case a Iseo Atra Boss. From the main page you have to choose Search, Dimple keys, and digit Atra Boss. Choose Search, the machine show you the Atra Boss system, choose Card, and now you are ready to decoding the key. Simply press Decoding button. Now the machine shows us how to fix the key to the jaw. I fix the keys. put down the trace tower, close the shield, and press start. Now the machine is starting the decoding phases. Now I press OK. In the main screen, I can see the decoding result, the symbols that the machine automatically read. If I want to know also the quote decoded, I have to press decoded data. In these windows, I can see the real quote that the machine read. Now we go to copy the key by decoding quote. Simply press cut. The machine shows us how to fix the keys. I open the shield, eliminate the keys decoded, put a new keys, and press start. Confirm. Now we're going to show you how to duplicate, in this case, a Ford C-Max key. From the main screen, select Search, Vehicle Keys, Vehicle Make Ford, Vehicle Model C-Max, press Search, Card, cut, digit the right direct code, press confirm, press cut. Now the machine shows us how to fix the key and the jaw. I have to change the 01J and use the 03J. I fix it without using any screws, only with my hand. I press start. I confirm the jaw, the side, and the machine starts. Now I show you how to decode a vehicle laser key, starting from the card. From the card screen, you have to choose Decoding, and the machine shows you how to fix the key in the jaw. Press start. Now the machine has completed the decoding, and in the main screen you can see the cut decoded. If you need to know the quote, you have to press decoded data, and the machine shows you the real quote detected and the nominal quote. Now, if you want to reproduce the original key, simply press cut. Now I show you how to copy an automotive flat keys, this one, with Silca flip keys. Simply from the main page, you have to choose Copy by Original. The machine shows you how to fix the key to the clamp. I have installed the keys, and I press Read button. The Futura optical reader guarantees centesimal precision in key copies. Now the reading operation is completed and I'm going to cut the Silca blade. Now I show you how to copy a residential flat keys. Simply from the main page you have to choose Search and now Standard Keys and now digit the name of the lock manufacturer, in this case CISA. Now you have to press the Search button and scrolling the result that the machine proposes. When you find the right card, you have to press the Card button Now the decoding process is completed and now you can see the draw of the keys. If you need simply to copy the key like original, press Cut. Now the machine is ready, the keys is installed, and simply press Start, the machine cut the keys. Okay, now we have the last session of question and answer. The first one is from Marco, Italy, and Marco asks us, is the tablet a standard tablet? Yes, this is a standard tablet. It's an Android 4.2.2 with a Cortex quad-core and 1.6 GHz. And the second question of Marco is, can I use this tablet for my personal use? Yes, you can use like an unusual tablet, and you also use your own tablet if you want or if you need with Futura machine. Simply connect the machine and download the Futura application. In the manual operation, in the operative manual, there are all the instructions to do these things. Thank you, Marco, for your questions. Another question, also for Italy. This is for Carlo, from Carlo. Is possible to set an align correction when you fix a car key on the second side? Not easy question, but it's a professional question. It is not necessary, because the machine, when you cut the second side of a flat car keys, automatically check the position of the key, and if the key is not perfect align, automatic set a correction, and so in this way avoid the possibility to do an error in copy. So this functionality is inside and automatic in the machine. Another question from Germany, Marco. Why the machine illumination change color? Okay, in this machine, in Futura, the color inside the shield meaning the status of the machine. For example, when the machine cuts the keys, you see the yellow color. This means that the machine works and you can't open the shield. If you see, for example, the green light means that the machine and the key cutting process. So you can open the shield and pick up your keys. Thank you, Marco, for your questions. From UK, Peter. What about of accuracy of the machine? Each machine is tested in Silca, and the accuracy needed to pass the test is 0.05. This means that we cut keys in flat station, in copy by original, and from a card, and also in Dimple as a station. The test must be lower than 0.05. The machine, so, is 0.05, the quality, the accuracy of this machine. Another question is from Matt Johansson from Prodib. The machine takes quite a long time when you start the program. So this means Matt probably asks, turn on the machine, turn on the tablet, I have to wait. Yes, this is time not for loading the Futura application on the tablet or downloading from the machine to the tablet, but this is the time for the machine to set up the internal program. And the time, medium time, is about 60, 70 to 90 seconds. This is the last question that we receive. The time for the question in this webinar is over, and now I ask to Gabriele to close this webinar. I thank you, everyone, to the question and to the time. Gabriele.
Thank you, Luca. And thank you, everyone, for your time and your attention. Your contribution means a lot to us for the success of this new format that we like to introduce. Therefore, you will receive the request to fill in a format with your feedbacks regarding this webinar. Hopefully, you will be so kind to come back to us shortly and give us material to improve it. So again, thanks for your contribution and good luck for your activities regarding the Futura key cutting machine. Bye-bye now.